2:30 AM. Yung ano pala namin, trip to Bohol is 4 PM. Nandito na yung masakyan. Ang early. Ay, mga 2 hours lang yung tulog natin. Bawal lang mamaya. We are now in Pier 3. So, ang gawin na kami sa terminal. Palis na po kami. Here we are. So 2 hours yung biyahe. We'll be there 6 AM. Miho. Hello, good morning. Kami po yung mga team puyat kasi less than 2 hours lang yung tulog namin. This is JR. Ito, sino to? Hala, pretty yan. Arnie. Sister-in-law ko. Arlene. Papa. Mama is at the back kasi pinabatid niya si Miho. Say hi. Excited na ba kayo?
Excited na.
Excited. How about TR? Excited ka na?
Excited ako, no?
Excited for the chocolate hills and the man-made forest. Ako excited ako for Panglao Beach, Morong Beach.
Ako, I'm excited for Bohol itself.
Ay, sige. We are now in Bohol. Welcome to Bohol. So time is around 6:15 AM. Port of Tubigon pala to. Wow, Tubigon Port, and we are looking for our ride. Actually, we just, nag-rent tayo. Ay, engaged na pala siya. For our transpo to go around the island, we hired,
Countryside.
Oh. We are now waiting for our ride. Okay, si Miho. Miho! Si Miho. Miho! Our ride is here. Ito yung gagamitin namin. Good for 7. It's rush. Nakasakay na rin kami sa rent namon. Si Miho. And mag-breakfast na kami. Punta na kami sa breakfast. Miho, say hi. Say hi to my vlog. Hello daw. Dito po kami mag-breakfast sa Kerikoto yung Japanese. Kerikoto Snack House. Ano yung food? Breakfast. Mama's first time. Chocolate Hills.
Chocolate Hills.
How are you, Mommy? Are you excited? Are you happy? Kaya mo yung hagdan?
Yeah. I think kaya.
Dapat lang. Kasi there's no other way. Parang makapunta sa taas. Miho getting ready for the photo shoot. First niya din siya sa Chocolate Hills.
Sa Bohol.
Miho at saka sa Bohol. Di ba? Well travel si Miho. Sana hindi po umulan kasi hindi pa kami nakakaakyat. Nandito na sila ulit. Brother ko. So we're just going to take some pictures and then aakyat na. So bright. Aakyat na po kami. We're going up na. There are over 1,200 hills here, and during the dry season they turn brown, hence the name Chocolate Hills. So actually dry season na yun, so they are kind of brown. Yun. If it's rainy season, more on green sila. If you're visiting Bohol, you have to come up here. It's totally worth the climb. Hirap na hinap sa sila mapunta dito. I was wondering nasaan na sila pero nandun pa pala. Kaya pa?
To Chocolate Hills.
Wow. Bago natin yung mood eh. Gusto mo yun?
Teka, mami, wag ka bumabot.
Mama, ano? Picture agad? Wow, mukhang excited siya. Sige. Wait lang po. Say hi. Buti na lang hindi masyadong maaraw today.
Natayinan kami.
Medyo makulimlim and it's kinda
Ilatin natin doon tayo.
cool yung air. Photo op na po.
Scoot ka.
There's another viewing deck pala dito. Baba. Mas closer yung view sa hills. Now here at the Bohol Tarsier Conservation Area. So pwede naman yung pets, so we can bring Miho with us. Sumama. Okay ka lang? Di ba mainit?
Okay na.
Pagbuti na lang umarap. So, here's the entrance. So, it's 170 pesos per person for the entrance. Hello! We're going to see you. Showing na yung mga rules. No touching and feeding, no flashes, no selfie sticks.
No eating and no bringing of foods and
All right.
drinks inside. No smoking and no vaping inside the premises.
I'm watching the video about tarsiers now and I just learned na tarsiers daw have eyes bigger than their brains. Okay, that's something. Okay, so we'll be going na. So medyo tahimik lang siya. So green. This is a good place for carbon storage. So restricted dun banda kasi breeding area. Dito yung entrance. Let's go this way. Nakailang tarsiers na po kami. Naka-apat na. Pag may mga nagpipicture, meaning may tertiary po. Wait lang. Mama is whispering. So mga tulog talaga sila. And usually they have that kind of arrangement ng leaves where they sleep. Parang covered sila from the sun. There. So territorial daw talaga yung mga tarsiers kasi sila yung gumawa ng mga sleeping area nila. So, bumabalik lang sila doon pag matutulog. And I'm wondering bakit may mga ganito dito. To add color to the place. Anyways, palabas na po kami. Next is man-made forest. Nasa souvenir area na po. Wala kaming nahanap na magnet sa ibang location na lang daw. May alam yung sister ko. Let's go, ma! So, dumami na yung tao. So, sakto lang. Napalis na kami. Ngayon na kami sa man-made forest. Anong ginagawa niyo dyan? Hi, picture daw. We are now on our way to the man-made forest. So, ganito yung daanan namin. We are now at the man-made forest. Ganito talaga siya from what I remember 8 years ago. So this site is for the picture taking. Kaya maraming nag-stop din. Anda. Need nating tumiming na walang tao. mama na nag-print siya ng pictures. So, ganito yung kinuha niya. This is 150 each. Bye, man-made forest. See you again after X years. Okay na ba kayo?
Masaya.
Or gutom na?
Hindi pa.
So we will have our lunch at Lubok River. Welcome to the Lubok River. Finally made it. We'll get our tickets here. Meron po, dalawa.
Okay. Walang bata, sir?
Wala po.
So, bali 5 regular, sir, 2 senior,
Yes.
sir. Okay, sa counter 4 na po tayo magbayad, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Sadly, Miho can't come with us. Kailangan siyang iwan dito. See you later, Miho. Got our tickets and now we are on our way to the river for the cruise. But I think magla-lunch muna. Tingin ko may sumasayaw na. Masaya yan. So tama nga, kakain muna before umalis. Careful! You can dance, you can jump,
having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch that scene, digging the dancing queen.
Tinitingnan ko lahat. Masarap ba yung food? You like the food?
Dream come true, Char.
Dream come true daw. Dati sa vlog lang nila nakikita to. Sa mga palabas. Sa YouTube. Ngayon nandito na. Lalo na si Mami.
Ngayon nandito na kami sa Lubok River.
Very happy early.
Siyempre naman, makailpasan yan.
Nice to know.
Yeah, it's been 30 minutes na, so babalik na ulit kami kung saan tayo nagmula. Si Mama hindi pa siya tapos. She's still having her dessert. Enjoy ka, Mami?
Yes.
Ako magasaging pa. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. On our way back. Stomach full, memories full, happy. And then yung iba punta pa lang. Ang second set daw, sabi ng singer. Hello!
Sa puting kabaybayuna ay laon ka sa lukong sa alibabong lamba. Balik sa Bohol, balik sa imong pagkatulog ang buhon, kanunay mong gidamgo. Balik sa Bohol, balik, 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 balik sa Bohol, balik sa imong kasing-kasing ang
After the tour, there's a strip of souvenir shops here. Where are we going?
Hindi siya nag-ingay?
We are united with Miho again. Hello, Miho. Miho siya.